Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay, you all are fine. Are you understanding what I am explaining you every day? Try to understand. I am teaching you in English only because of what you should learn everything in English. मी तुम्हाला इंग्लिशमध्ये का सांगते प्रत्येक गोष्ट? कारण एकच आहे की तुम्हाला इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलता आला पाहिजे, तुम्हाला इंग्लिशमध्ये स्वतःचे व्ह्यूज सांगता आले पाहिजे. ओके, इफ यू विल गो इन कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल्स, तुम्ही जर एकदम हायफाय स्कूल्समध्ये जर गेलात, कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल्स, फादर सिस्टर्सच्या स्कूलमधले मुलं LKG UKGलाच खूप छान इंग्लिश बोलू शकतात आणि आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये सर्व टीचर्स तुमच्यासोबत इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलतात. राईट, एव्हरीवन स्पीक्स विथ यू इन इंग्लिश. I don't know what was your condition in primary section, but then in pre-primary section, I don't know, your teachers were talking with you in English only. I have heard it many times. But now you are in first standard and you have to learn everything in English. Okay, there are some parents, they are saying that no ma'am, you teach in Marathi. I am not going to teach you in Marathi. You have to learn everything in English. Understood? And if you have not understood anything, you can ask your parents. पप्पांना विचारायचं, मम्मीला विचारायचं की मला या शब्दाचा अर्थ कळालेला नाही आहे. ओके, and they will help you. No problem. Everyone is at home. They can help you. Even I am helping my child. My child is in 3rd standard. I am helping my son. In this way, we were studying about naming words. Naming words म्हणजे काय रे बाळांनो? Naming words means the name of a person, the name of places, the name of animals, names of birds and names of things. I told you 5. Correct? When we speak of names of people, man, boy, girl. Now if I will take names, for example, Satish, then Satish, Sunil, myself, Manju. My name is Manju. Then Manju, Manda. These all are names of people. First one, names of places. I told you before also, names of places. Tell me example of names of places. Mumbai, Pune, Satara, Solapur, Nasik, Dhule. Then which are more names of places? Srirampur, Rahata. These all are names of places. Okay. Third one, names of animals. So dog, cat, reindeer, lion, tiger, giraffe. These all are names of animals. Names of birds: parrot, pigeon, then ostrich. Come on, tell me names of birds. Sparrow, parrot, peacock. There are many birds, right? Names of birds over. Then names of things: book, pencil, pen, mobile. Then what else you can tell now? Chalk is a thing. Headphone, now which speakers are there? The speakers are what thing? Board is what? Board is also thing. So when we take names of people, when we take names of people, when we take names of places, when we take names of animals, when we take names of birds, when we take names of things, these all names are called what? यांना काय म्हणतात? आपण प्रत्येक गोष्टीला नाव ठेवलेलं आहे आणि या प्रत्येक गोष्टीला जे नाव ठेवलं आहे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतात इंग्लिशमध्ये? त्याला इंग्लिशमध्ये नेमिंग वर्ड्स म्हणतात. काय म्हणतात? नेमिंग वर्ड्स. आणि ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही 3री 4थी 5वीमध्ये जाणार तर तुम्ही त्याला नेमिंग वर्ड्स नाही म्हणणार, त्याला नवीन शब्द वापरला जातो, तो आहे नाउन्स. नवीन शब्द नाही म्हणता येणार. इट इज हॅविंग वन अल्टरनेटिव्ह वर्ड. त्याला अजून एक पर्यायी वर्ड आहे, शब्द आहे. अँड व्हॉट इज दॅट वर्ड? It is also called nouns. And we studied this all with examples: man, the birds, animals, things. Yesterday we studied about things: apple, book, chair, table, right? And now today we are going to solve, I can say, we are going to solve question number 1. Write down the naming words from the bracket. Now bracket is given and pictures are shown in your book. Now problem is what? You are not allowed to use grammar book. I don't know then how you are going to write down words of now naming words. How you are going to write down, that will be little difficult, but then I will show you. Okay, here is the question in your book. You can see question. I will show you question. प्रश्न दाखवते मी तुम्हाला. Okay, first one. Write down the naming words from the brackets given below. What you have to write down? You have to write down naming words from the bracket. What is first word? Bear. Second is horse. Third is postman. Fifth one is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. And fifth word is train, T-R-A-I-N, train. And next word is G-A-T-E, gate. समझला? Now this photo is of what? Can you see? I will just zoom it. Okay, tell me now, this photo is of what? कोण दिसतंय? एक माणूस आहे, त्याच्या हातात एक बॅग आहे, त्याच्या हातात काहीतरी पत्र आहे वाटतं, राईट, पत्र आहे. आणि असा ड्रेस कोण घालतं रे? हू इज वेअरिंग सच टाईप ऑफ ड्रेस? इट इज ब्राऊन कलर ड्रेस. कॅन यू जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट? You might be seeing these people coming on your door. Who are they? Who is this person? This person, yes, you are right. This person is postman. So our first answer is what? Postman. P-O-S-T, post, M-A-N, postman. Understood first answer, postman. Have you got it to first answer? Now second picture I will show you in the book. It is, see a second picture. Come on, tell me what it is. Something which is on water. पाण्यावरती काहीतरी तरंगतंय. याला काय म्हणतात रे मराठीतून? वी कॉल इट बदक इन मराठी. येस ऑर नो? याला आपण काय म्हणतो? बदक, राईट. अँड वेन वी से दिस इज अ, हे काय मराठीतून बदक आहे. देन व्हॉट वी कॉल फॉर इट इन इंग्लिश? व्हॉट वी कॉल फॉर बदक इन इंग्लिश? वी कॉल इट डक. व्हॉट वी कॉल इट? D-U-C-K, duck. What it is? D-U-C-K, duck. I am showing you third picture. It is very interesting. You will like it, okay? See now third picture. What is this third picture? सांगा बरं काय आहे? Immediately you might be telling, अरे ma'am, it is railway. Railway आहे ही railway. Then what we call for railway in English? What we call it in English? What it is called in English? It is called, what it is called? Come on, tell fast, over there only at your house. It is called train. Very good, very nice. It is correct. Your answer is right. It is train. So how many words are over from this bracket? Postman is over. I'll circle it. Duck is over. Train is over. Now 3 are left. I will show you third picture now. Sorry, fourth picture. I will show you fourth picture. Now see this fourth picture. What has happened to it? Yes. This is fourth picture. Now what it is? Is it cow? No. Is it donkey? No. It looks like donkey or what? No. Then what it is? Come on, tell fast. Yes, I could hear. सांगितलं तू कोणीतरी सांगितलं मला. It is horse. What it is? Horse. So then our fourth answer is what? Our fourth answer is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Good one. You are doing better. You should know spellings now. If teachers will ask you, what students can you tell me spelling of postman, you should able to tell. And do one thing, you are in first standard. तुम्ही पहिलीच्या वर्गात आहे. तुम्ही काय करा, सगळे आज काय करायचं? You'll go you are sitting at home only. I'm not saying you are going at home, but you are at home only. Then tell your papa or tell your mama to find out all 2-letter words. काय करायचं आज? मम्मीला म्हणायचं सगळे 2-letter words मला एका पानावरती लिहून दे आणि मी त्याचा अभ्यास करतो. Like IN, in, AT, at, TO, to, OF, off, all spellings of 2-letter words. 1 week you learn only 2-letter words. Next week you learn only 3-letter words. You just see, you will able to read all types of words. तुम्हाला प्रत्येक प्रकारचा कोणताही शब्द तुमच्या समोर जर कोणी दाखवला तर तुम्हाला पटकन वाचता येईल. Understood? Now next picture which I am showing you is of, tell me what it is? It looks little like gate. Yes, right. So fifth answer is our gate. and tell me what is this. Oh my god, it is so dangerous animal. What it is? Come on, tell what you can see this. It is monkey? No, it doesn't look like monkey because monkey is having tail. It has tail. It is having tail or what? Come on, tell what it is. It is bear. Okay, don't say bear. Sometimes you are saying bear. It is not bear, it is bear. Fifth answer was our get. G-A-T-E, get. And sixth answer is bear. B-E-A-R, bear. So we have completed horse, we have completed get, and we have completed bear. Okay, in this way we have completed our question number 1. If you want to see question number 1 properly, I will show you on the book. See here, it is like this. Your textbook is like this. Diste ka? See, we did question number 1. It is near my finger. Question number 1. And tomorrow we are going to study. Which question? We are going to study second question. Okay. And remaining part of the lesson also we are going to study in tomorrow's lesson. Not tomorrow's lesson. Not tomorrow's period. Thursday's period. Okay. Now timetable is changed. We will meet on which day now? We will meet on Thursday. Okay. Thank you.